come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
I want to ask you, secular is the word that they hold so close to their heart. Yet for reservations to Muslims, where does their secularism go? They've done this in the past with AMU and Jamia Millia, Central University, where reservations for scheduled castes, OBCs and scheduled tribes were removed. Now they want to do a laboratory experiment in Karnataka, and who knows tomorrow what's going to happen. What happens to secularism?
नाविका, हाथ में संविधान, मन में भाईजान, सेकुलरिज्म के बाजार में सजी है राहुल गांधी की वोट बैंक की दुकान. बाय द वे, ऑल दैट रेटोरिक कि संविधान बचाना है, संविधान के सेवियर हमें बिफोर द 2024 इलेक्शंस, पोस्ट द 2024 इलेक्शंस, वेयर इज द संविधान सेवियर टुडे? And Sanjay Jha said that we have only done for the backward classes amongst the Muslims. That is not true, Sanjay Jha ji. The entire 4%, first of all, in the government contract, which is unprecedented, which has been given, no classification has been made. I'll give you 2-3 more examples. Here is Congress party saying that we want 4% reservation for Muslims in the state of Telangana and we will protect it. Here is Salman Khurshid saying that out of the 27% OBC reservation, 9% should be carved out for all Muslims, irrespective of their class. In the UPA, they were even planning to bring a bill like that, and in Ranganath Mishra Commission report, they had said 15% of the SC, ST, OBC jobs should be given to the Muslim community ad hominem without any classification. It is actually unfair to the Pasmanda community also amongst the Muslims. But having said that, now let me come to the other point. Why are we so perturbed that the Samvidhan badalne ki baat is being done by the Congress? Samvidhan to badla. Who bought the First Amendment and curbed free speech? Who bought the 42nd Amendment during the emergency and put in all kinds of tyrannical powers for themselves? Who is it that overturned the Shah Banu case judgment? So time and again, Congress party has been trifling and trampling upon the Samvidhan, and therefore today I have just few questions to ask. One, the first right of resources belongs to Muslims. This is what Manmohan Singh had said, not once but twice. In Karnataka we see, please sir, don't interrupt. In Karnataka we see that Muslim budget is passed where Muslim girls are given the training of self-defense, where there are Muslim colonies which get 1,000 crore rupees, where Urdu is being promoted but the other language is not being promoted, where Waqf is being given the money, Hajj house is being given the money, but others are not being given. This kind of Jinnah mindset has been shown by Congress party time and again, and out of whose quota will it go? It will go out of the SC, ST, OBC quota, and they have always been against reservation. 1961 Nehru says I'll end reservation, it's second class. 1980 to 90 they opposed the Mandal Commission. 1990 Rajiv Gandhi says reservation बुद्धों को मिलता है. Then in 2023-24 Rahul Gandhi says reservation खत्म करना है. Nana Patole reiterates it, and now we have come to know that AMU से भी reservation हटाया. There also they don't want SC, ST reservation. So finally I want to ask Vivek Srivastava today. Vivek Srivastava, are you in favor? Are you in favor of the reservation of the OBC caste being snatched and given against the constitutional Ambedkarji spirit, against Indira Sani judgment, to the Muslim community without any kind of backward class suggestion that the report is there that they are backward or certain section is backward? Are you in favor of this, yes or no?
Navika, can I?
Oh, by the way, I forgot one point. I forgot one point because Vivekji, just 10 seconds if you can, just 10 more seconds. You know, Mr. Sanjay Jha said that Mr. Sanjay Jha said that we are now in unofficial emergency. Sanjay Jha, losing election of the Parivar is not emergency. Parivar Tantra not prevailing in Lok Tantra is not emergency, and in fact you are the product of the modern emergency mindset of the Congress. Nobody else except you have been suspended for so long in the Congress. Even the boycott of many journalists has been ended, but आप suspended के suspended हो.
No, my boycott still remains.
अच्छा, तो आप भी स्पेशल हो, और संजय झा आप तो अत्यंत स्पेशल हो, तो आपके ऊपर तो इमरजेंसी का आज भी प्रभाव है कांग्रेस पार्टी का.
Well, okay. Sanjay first, Vivek coming to you. Sanjay Jha.
Yeah, Navika, to understand how democracy under Mr. Modi has been in peril for a long time. In fact, democracy is practically dead. We are just basically going through the motions as we talk.
Every night you sit here and you condemn everybody and you've still not been arrested. Come on, Sanjay Jha. Come on, Sanjay Jha, then you're an extremely weak person and your party is extremely weak if it cannot fight and lose 3 elections even when there is an unstated emergency. But Vivek